Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes and just life here at this stage of life. I'm semi-retired. This is going to be a quick video, but I wanted to share it. Missy's licking her bowl. That's what the noise is. She had her breakfast. And I'm going to make our breakfast. And it's something that I saw on TikTok, and I did some digging, and I saw different versions in different ways, but the first way I saw it is what I really want to make. And I will put it was from Tanner, who was in Love on the Spectrum, and I just love that show. And he made these, and they sounded so good. 2 packages of blueberry muffin mix, Martha White. 1 pack of sausage, I chose maple, and 1 softened package of cream cheese. And we're gonna mix all this stuff up and put it in our muffin pan. I have a silicone one I've sprayed, and bake them. And they looked so good. And they kind of taste like the blueberry sausage on a stick, you know, the blueberry pancakes on a sausage wrapped around the sausage. I guess they taste like that. I've seen other versions that use cheddar cheese instead of the cream cheese and make them into little balls. And you can make these muffins any size you want. You can make them mini muffins, regular muffins, or jumbo muffins. We're gonna go kind of for the regular size. So I'm gonna bring you down. I have my oven preheating on 350. These are gonna be quick and fast, and I'm gonna take my rings off because I will be using my hands. I will be using my hands to mix this up. You can put gloves on if you want, but I just washed my hands and I will wash them after. I'm okay with that, but if it bothers you because you're dealing with raw meat, put on some gloves. It's all good. Okay, so this would be really fun with kids. They showed like the mini ones with, they dip them into syrup then. And you could use like the wild berry, preheated. You could use the wild berry or apple, or, whatever flavor you wanted. But that blueberry will have a pop that I think will be really good. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my cream cheese. I put it in the microwave to soften it. And now to open up the sausage. I saw some other recipes where they browned the meat first and put that in and, made it different ways, but this just really appealed to me. So we're gonna just get in there and start mixing. I don't know if a Pampered Chef mix and shop would work or not. Everyone that I saw was using their hands and not making as much of a mess as I just did there. So I'm just going to keep working this until it's all combined and the sausage is combined with everything and the mix is not loose powder anymore. So this is an experiment. I'm bringing you along for food experiment. We'll see how they go over, how they turn out. I thought they would be fun to make as mini and take to Sunday school at church. We usually have some snacks out, and the kids seem to enjoy that. Okay. There is mix on the bottom. I need to get worked in. Okay, it is forming into a dough. almost there. Here it is. I've washed my hands. I don't have a muffin scoop. I saw some people using that. So some people shape them into balls. I'm just gonna put them in here. I don't know if I'll need, I have another one of these, if I'll need more or if it'll just make 12. The Martha White muffin mix, you only have to add milk to it. I don't think it will make 12 more, but it's gonna make, I think, at least 6 more, or around 6. 5. I will end up with 5. These are gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna start checking at 15 minutes. I think it will probably take longer than that. Here they are out. It took 25 minutes. I'm gonna put them on a rack to cool now. They make quite a few, but I realized you could make it a half batch. Just 1 package of the blueberry muffins, half a pack of cream cheese, and half a pound of sausage. Here is the inside. I'm trying to get it to focus. So they're not like light, fluffy muffins, but they're really good. They're more like the sausage balls, but with a different flavor with the blueberry and the maple sausage. Pockets of cream cheese. They're very good. I think if you'd use spicy sausage and the cheddar cheese, that would be a really good, like, hors d'oeuvre type thing, actually. You know, finger food. So here you go. Blueberry sausage muffins. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.